Hi friends, in this video I will share about vegan carrot smoothie recipe. You can take this vegan carrot smoothie with the breakfast. Taking these smoothies consistently, you will definitely get result. The benefits of these smoothies are like prevents type 2 diabetes, boost your immunity and so on. There are other benefits also to use these smoothies. If you want to know details like actual benefits, nutrition values, ingredients and instructions of this smoothie, watch this video till to the end. So stay tuned. Now let's see vegan carrot smoothie. Now let's see what benefits we get from this smoothie. The benefits are like improve eye, liver and heart health, boost immunity, provide anti-cancer effects, control blood sugar and improve skin health. Following are the nutritions you get from this smoothie. The nutritions are calorie 289, fat 2 gram, carbohydrates 45 gram, fiber 12 gram and protein 25 gram. Now let's see the ingredients required to make this smoothie. 1 cup almond milk, 1 frozen banana, 1 cup frozen carrot, 1 cup frozen pineapple chunks, 1 scoop vanilla protein powder and half teaspoon cinnamon. Now let's see the procedure to how to make this smoothie. Place all the ingredients in a blender and blend on it about 30 seconds or until smooth. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, give our video a thumbs up.